Welcome to Padu Motivations. Today I'm going to show you how to install a Vion premium phone mount on my Tesla Model 3. I'm going to unbox it and then we're going to get started. Got it in the mail today. Here we go. This is by Vion. Let's open it up. See what we've got here. It comes in a nice cool little box, nice and sleek. Okay. Looks like you got your instructions front and back on how to mount and install it. It's really only one screw, so that's actually pretty cool. Okay, and then you have the phone mount itself. Let's check this out first. And this is premium alloy. Looks pretty cool. It's sleek looking. It's not real heavy, but it does feel very substantial. Feels like very good quality, so that's nice. Got that. You have the magnetic ring here for mounting. You get that. This is really good quality as well. You got the magnetic ring. You have the screw, because there's one screw that I'm going to have to remove from my Tesla Model 3. I can have a 2023 Tesla Model 3, so this is one screw. I'm going to have to remove one screw, and then this goes to replace that. And then you have your, screw here I'm going to use to put in here, I imagine. And then you use that you're going to use that to kind of screw it back in and probably unscrew the original screw that's in the Tesla. Okay, so you have everything. I've got really everything I need. Phone mount, tool to get the screw out and to replace the screw here. You have this. It's all ready to go, and it came in a nice, neat little box. Of course, the instructions. So I'm all set. Now I'm going to show you how to install it. Okay, so it looks like we have the phone mount, okay, like we showed earlier. And then you have the wrench that we're going to use. And then this is going to be the screw that we actually going to replace from the screw in the Tesla door right there. So first thing we got to do is there's a little screw right in here. You can see that it's right up in here. It's a little screw, and then we're going to take that out. So let's go ahead and start by taking that out. Down the screw, and I'm just unscrewing the nut in here. Let's see. Okay, so that's the screw that originally comes with the Tesla, I guess, to keep the door handle in. Now we're going to take this, and then we're going to place this in here like so. And then we're just going to use this to replace it, and we should be good. Okay. Okay, let's see. Far so good. Screw that in. So it looks like we're good. So what I'm going to do now is we'll take this out. Place this like that, and we're going to apply a little firmness on here. And I'm going to take this right here and screw it on nice and tight. Let's see. Okay, so now it looks like I have everything tightened up here. Good. So this is how we can actually adjust the phone itself. This right here moves the device up and down, which is kind of cool. Tightens up nice. The quality is really good. You can tell it's really built very solid. Everything in here, that alloy is just amazing. It moves very nice. You don't hear any noises or anything. I think that's nice. And it, like I said, it adjusts very nice. And then we'll try the phone. Let's see how it sticks. Oh yeah, that sticks well. Hold on, let's see. Okay, oh, there we go. Oh, that ain't going nowhere. That's not going nowhere. So now you can actually adjust it. Okay, once we come inside, then we'll see how everything works. Okay, so come on. Okay, we're taking it for a drive now. Let's see how it works. Pretty good. Excellent. Moves nice. Adjusts very nice. I like the location, is out of the way. Remember, it's $49. If you use the link in the description at this video, you'll get 10% off. See you at the next video. Please subscribe.